It's the holiday season again, and you know what that means. It's time for our favorite pastime, drinking excessively with the family. So today, we're going to teach you at home how to make a drink popularized by the famous film The Big Lebowski, the White Russian. So first, we're going to start out by adding some ice to our mixing cup. We're going to take 1.5 ounces of vodka and add it to our mixing cup. Vodka. There's 1 ounce and a half. Perfect. All right, next up, we're going to be adding the wonderful coffee and rum liqueur, Kahlua. We're going to use 1 ounce of that as well. Let's get your ounce measuring cup. 1 ounce of Kahlua. And then we'll be adding the cream. That's where you get the name, the White Russian. So we'll add the cream. And then it's time to mix. So you'll take your top, add it on, let's mix. Just give it a little shake. All right. And then we're gonna need to get our glass. There we go. Let's start pouring. All right. So we'll just pour nice and gentle, nice and slow. Perfect. Just like Mom used to make. So easy your babushka could do it.